What's going on, guys? I'm going to do another video. In this one, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up Death Oil. Now, I did already open the box. I didn't peek inside, though. I did see a little bit, I'll be honest. But I'm going to open the box, and yeah, let's see what we've got.
At least have it open.
Yeah. So we've got lovely instructions. Those are going to be useful. This looks like my Cerberus's instructions.
Well, it isn't.
Well, it's similar, alright?
It's not Cerberus's instructions.
Whatever. And he's literally just one giant piece. Okay, there is an adapter in here. That's good.
Oh, that's probably hurt.
My box.
That's probably hurt. That probably hurts.
What in the world? Okay. I'm gonna go wash my box. Alright, so there is this pole. A and B. Are those screws? Yes, it's screws. And it's a snap lock.
Snap
he's like
locks.
Velcroed up. So let's...
Oh, is that his, like... That probably hurts.
Ah, there it is. Didn't feel good, I'll tell you that. Oh, wow, he is big, actually. He's bigger than I thought.
He's not as big as I thought.
He looks small, but then when I, like, got him all undone...
Hey, where's his other two? Oh, there, it's
Open the zipper located under the back of Death Ocean and insert pole in the back of head and hands with closed in base. Alright.
This is...
It's got like a weird layer inside his clothes.
It's probably to give him shape. I don't know.
So, here's what he looks like inside.
This reminds me a lot of Rusty.
Yes.
I'm tripping over the chair here.
Insert pull
into
the back of the head.
Insert it into the head?
Is it B that goes into the head? Yes, it is. And then A goes into the...
You put it into the head. So first the head and then the...
Correct. The body.
Then the body.
I know, English is hard. B goes into B. Yeah, I'm sorry, you can't.
I would be getting I mean, you can kind of see your hands fumbling around in there. Fumbling around in the shirt. I'd be showing you the inside. I'd be showing you what's happening, going on, but it's kind of impossible to do so. It's coming closer to me.
Oh, there it goes. I got it in. And then I can show you this one a little bit better. So there's that connection.
Hang on.
And there it goes. I promise I've got this. This is my first, ooh, click.
It's impossible to get a shot of that.
Ow, I just, look at that. That's a rip.
Make sure he's locked into place that he doesn't just fly apart.
Rack, okay. Insert pull into base, match A to A, press until it clicks into place, just did that. Wrap hook and loop straps under chair, pull very, I don't know what that word means.
Pull very tightly?
No, it's like taut or something. Oh, that pinch really hurt.
Hang on.
I'll survive.
Where does it say?
It says it right there. I'm guessing it's tightly.
Taut. Yeah.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Alright, that's fine. I can cut that out if I have to. Death Oil will function best with the base flat or tilted slightly forward. The base is tilted. If the base is tilted backward, Death Oil will not function. Alright, good now.
Yeah, ironically, the chair that we have is tilted backwards.
Alright, let me see if I can.
Make sure he's locked into place, though. Did you connect any of the wires?
I didn't say to connect any wires.
Oh, then he may be fine.
Okay, yeah, so we should have, I'm gonna have to use this chair on Halloween if we can't get a chair. I'll buy a chair, whatever. Oh, this is tight fit. It, like, barely is working, but...
Is his base flat?
I'm not sure, alright.
After this, so we're gonna set him up.
And then I will do a demo in this video, and I will also have a review on my main channel. Yes, I know, I've got it included on both. The arms aren't really big enough for this. The
chair arms.
Yeah, the chair arms aren't big enough for his arms, so they're gonna be, This one's actually looped already, which is weird. That one was, like, all tangled.
And after
I'll
this...
just do it like this, it's fine.
Should I pause the recording after we do this, so that way we don't have to go through all the trouble having to plug him in on screen?
Well, I'm gonna, well, we can do the bottom one, too, and then I will, yeah. Oh, I hate that sound. That sound is terrible. And then I will, does he have a sensor? Oh yeah, the sensor's in his mouth. That's actually pretty cool. And then, feed it back. Oh yeah, this is not the best chair, but that's alright.
Hello down there.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Make sure it's tightly. They said make sure it's tight. That way it doesn't fly
Alright,
off.
you can stop the recording for a sec. I am back, guys. Here he is, completely set up. I have, the arms are a little bit bad. I'm probably gonna have to get a different chair. Because, like, these arms aren't really working, but, yeah, I plugged in the adapter off camera because I had to literally completely take him out. And I also put something under him. So he is, a little bit more straight. But, yeah, let's plug him in for the first time. Hang on. Alright, I couldn't do that one-handed, so... Oh, God. That is violent. That is really violent. Alright, let's do it one more time. Oh, there we go. I do really like this guy. I'd say he's 100% worth the $100 that we got him for. I do really like his design and everything too. I will have a review, as I mentioned earlier, on my main channel. I don't link it in the description though, because I don't feel like it, but I probably should do that eventually. But yeah, it's in the channel section. But yeah, that's all I have to show for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you guys did enjoy this video. Have a fantastic rest of your day or night, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!